What emotions can you create from just 4 notes? Maybe something deeply emotional? Or something dramatic and powerful? Same notes, completely different feeling. In this video I'll show you exactly how to create both moods, and at the end I'll combine them into one cinematic improvisation. So let's start with the emotional version. First step. Here's the melody with the main note using 4 simple chords. A minor, E minor, F major, G major, A minor, E minor, F major, and G major. It feels a little static, right? So here's the trick. Surround the main melody note with additional notes. For example, play the 7 and then the 6. And finally back to the melody note. This one is an important building block for emotional improvisation. Your thumb always plays the main melody note, while the other fingers create small decorations around it. Once you understand this concept, you can use it almost everywhere. Let me show you a few more examples. Now, let's add the left hand. Keep it simple. Just play a gentle flowing arpeggio. The left hand shouldn't compete with the melody. Its only job is to create movement and support the emotion. By the way, if you would like to learn all these essential building blocks of cinematic improvisation, I've put together a free guide that you can download using a link in the description. But what if you wanted the same melody to sound bigger, more intense, like a movie trailer? We'll use the same melody and exactly the same chords. The only thing I'm changing is the accompaniment. Instead of smooth decorations, I repeat a small pattern around every melody note. Very often I use a third. Immediately the music has more momentum. Then I really emphasize the melody note itself. Now let's increase the energy. Play the pattern faster. Add more motion. Keep repeating it. Suddenly the melody feels urgent, powerful and dramatic. And here's something important. You don't have to use the third. You could also repeat a second. Or a sixth. The interval isn't what creates the drama. The repeated rhythm pattern is. That's the secret. Once you start thinking in repeating patterns, instead of individual notes, your cinematic improvisations become much more exciting. But what will happen if you combine the two emotions? Think about your favorite movie soundtrack. It doesn't stay soft the whole time, and it doesn't stay dramatic the whole time either. It tells a story. So start with the emotional version. Give the melody space to breathe. The listener connect with it. Then, little by little, introduce the repeated patterns. Increase the movement. Add more energy. Emphasize the melody more and more. Until it naturally grows into the dramatic version. But this brings us to the most important question of all. Where do beautiful melodies actually come from? And that's exactly what I'll show you in the next video.